Welcome, homeopathy lover. I am Dr. Anwarul Haq from Mongrahat. Today, I learn with you a homeopathic medicine, polycrest homeopathic medicine, Calcarea carbonicum or Calcarea austrium, the other's name, middle layer of oyster cell, proving by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. The great Hahnemannian antisoric is a wonderful constitutional remedy par excellence. Dr. Mr. Taylor remarks about Calcarea that with the chalky complexion goes faint without feedness, sweaty without heat, bone without strength, tissue of pulse quantity and minus quality, the merry flabby bulky and weakness and weariness. Some remedies are difficult to spot. The difficulty is so Miss Calcarea carbonica when typical, says Dr. Taylor. It is one of the greatest monument of the homeopathic medicine, Hahnemann genus, and a great polycrest remedy, and ranks with sulfur and lycopodium as the head of antisoric. The Calcarea carb sphere of action. The main seats of action of Calcarea carb are bone, gland, blood, skin, mind, female genital organ. Pathogenesis of Calcarea carb. Calcarea carb produced impairment in nutrition of various organs, particularly bones, alternation in composition of the blood, various organs, and with chief action with the skin and bone manifested increased local or general perspiration, swelling of the gland, softening and bending of the bones, abscess in dim muscles, polyp and exostosis. Constitution of the Calcarea carb is adapted to the leukophlegmatic constitution. Physical makeup of the Calcarea carb is suited to fair, fatty and flabby patient who become easily fatigued and tired of the walking and much sweating, cold extremity, sore smell of the body. There is a tendency to obesity in youth, slow in movement. Physical makeup of the baby. Calcarea baby, we seen children who grow chalky look with red face and large belly like inverted suture with large head, open frontalis and suture, flabby muscle, pale skin, soft bone, who sweat easily, especially on back side of the head and neck, and swollen and gland of the other side. The girls of Calcarea carb are flazy, plethoric, grow too rapidly. Relation to heat and cold. Chilly patient disposed to catch cold easily. Miasmatic background of the Calcarea carb is one of the greatest antisoric and antipsychotic remedy. Diastasis of the Calcarea carb, scorophilus, rickety and tubercular diastasis. Some guiding symptoms very important to us to select a medicine. Number 1, the patient has great sensitive to take cold. The patient has great sensitive to take cold, gets frequent chorea with chronic nature and chronic in origin, cannot bear tolerate cold. In acute stage, we remember belladonna. Number 2, disposed to grow fat, corpulent and unwilling. Number 3, sweat. Sweat of the Calcarea carb is very characteristic. Head sweat profusely while sleeping, waiting. The pillow is around of the upper part of the body. Sweat of the single part, head, scalp, neck and neck, cheek, axilla, sexual organ, hand, palm, knee, feet, sole and etc. with coldness. The sweat is very sore smelling. Rawness of the sole of the feet from perspiration, blister and open sea foot sweat. Number 4, coldness in general. The single parts like calcibicrom, head, stomach, abdomen, feet, legs habitually cold and damp. It is there could damp stoking on the continuously. Number 5, feels better in every way when constipated. Feel better in every way when constipated. Stool has 2 removed mechanically like aloe, sepia, silesia, thuja. Calcarea is an excellent remedy for polyp and exostosis. Number 7, the patient desired to like magnetized like phosphorus, silesia, Number 8, all discharge smells sour. All discharge smells sour. Number 9, longing for eggs, especially during either sickness or convalescence. Aversion to meat, like graphitis and alumina. The mental symptoms of Calcarea carp. Calcarea carp manifested very characteristic mental symptoms which can be summarized as follow. There is great apprehension which becomes rose towards evening, fear of darkness, fear of become to rose evening, fear of darkness, loss of reason, misfortune, contagious and chronic disease, fear that she will lose her reason and people will over her mental confusion, very forgetful, confused and low spirited. Confused and low spirited. The Calcarea carp is a good medicine for obesity patient. Good medicine for obesity patient. Calcarea carp, good medicine for obesity patient. Thank you for listening my video. Thank you. We meet again next video. Thank you.